Start your morning with a fiber-packed oatmeal power bowl. Add fresh fruits like berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. Use steel-cut oats. They release energy more slowly, keeping you fuller for longer. Add chia or flax seeds for a rich source of omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, helping to fight free radicals and improve skin health. Top whole grain toast with mashed avocado. Sprinkle some pumpkin or sesame seeds, and finish with a poached egg or sliced tomatoes for a protein boost. A squeeze of lemon juice not only prevents browning but also boosts your immune system with vitamin C. Avocados are full of heart-healthy fats that can lower bad cholesterol, making this a satisfying and nutritious option. Layer Greek yogurt with crunchy granola and fresh mixed berries for a delicious and protein-packed breakfast. Choose unsweetened Greek yogurt to reduce sugar intake. Adding a teaspoon of chia seeds provides extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, perfect for gut health and sustained energy. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, which are great for digestion and immune support. Blend your favorite fruits like bananas, berries, and greens like spinach or kale. Top with granola, coconut flakes, and chia seeds for crunch. Freeze your fruits overnight to get a thicker, creamier consistency without the need for ice. You can also sneak in some protein powder for a post-workout breakfast. Spinach is loaded with iron and vitamin K, while bananas provide a natural energy boost with potassium for muscle recovery. Whisk up eggs and toss in a mix of colorful veggies like spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers for a protein-rich, vitamin-packed meal. Add a pinch of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties and an earthy flavor twist. Pair with whole grain toast for balanced carbs. Eggs are a complete source of protein, providing all the essential amino acids, while veggies like bell peppers are rich in vitamins A and C, boosting your immune system and skin health.